guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess Today. How are you doing? Well, listen, I'm online to let you know that I've made some more kits, and they are in my shop right now. These are the Junk Journal Mystery Kits, and I wanted to let you know that they are in my shop right now. I think there's 9 of them, and I'm going to be making some more here soon, but I wanted you to see these kits too. These are version 3s? But I'm going to have some version 4s out shortly. I can't tell you what's in the middle of these or what comes with them, but I did want you to kind of see some of the beautiful images that are in these. Anyway, well, you get the gist. Anyway, yeah. So these are in my shop right now, and listen, I'm going to be making 10 more, and I'm going to be using some images out of these books right here. So let me fix this video really quick from going in and out. Hold on, because I don't want that to drive you crazy. You have to see what I'm talking about. So these are in my shop right now, and I'm excited about them. And some of them do have these images in them. Only a couple, though. And I'm not sure which one, so I can't, like, specify for you. But those are pretty, and they got great images, and they come with a lot of extra yummies. Okay. But besides that, I'm making 10 more, I think 10 more, using some images out of these books. Not these specific books. I have 2 more. I found these at the thrift store, and I had to have them. So, hold on just 1 second, though. I got to take care of something. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, I tried to fix the light, too. It's too glary, but there's not a lot I can do with it. Anyway, so here's the deal. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the shop right now, and I had to buy them all because once I saw them, I went, oh my God, these would be great in my kits, right? Because of the art. And then I thought, no, I'm going to set, some people don't, if you don't want the whole kit, you can buy just a book. So I'm selling these books as a supply too, so that you can tear them up and use them in your art. These are by an Oregon artist. Her name is Lona Faye Feldman. She's here in, look at, this is actually signed. Let's see if this one's actually signed. Oh, this is actually signed. So these are all actually signed. So these are signed copies, you guys. So that's awesome. I actually looked online to see how much these books were going for. And this one was torn out because it was signed. So this one's not signed. The signed copies are going for too much. Let me see if this is signed. No, this one's not signed. So I've got 2 signed copies. I've got to see. And, you know, actually, I don't even care if they're signed or not because we're not using them as that kind of a thing. But the signed copies on eBay were going for $30. I'm not charging you $30. Trust me. But I will charge you shipping on these because it's going to be media mail. And, but I'm going to kind of guesstimate how much these are media mail. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and charge you shipping on these. Otherwise, it's just not worth, you know, putting it in my Etsy shop. But anyway, let me flip through for you. My gosh. This artwork is so beautiful. Like, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? She's a watercolorist here in Eugene. And this art is so beautiful, but just wait, hold on. Look at this, you guys. I just love this. Look at this koi fish. Aren't these lovely? Look at that. Her art is stunning. So these are in my shop right now, as well as some new, look at this. I was just reading it. She seems to have this little glass fish in each of her pictures. I wonder what that's all about. But isn't this gorgeous? So just fun to play with. So fun to put into your art. This is great collage fodder, you guys. I mean, or a cool book if you wanted to share it with a kid, you know. These are children's books. Look at this. So beautiful. So yeah, these are in my shop right now. Help yourself. It's going towards the Mally Fund. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? So, okay, but then let me tell you. So, I'm putting these 4 in my shop. Yes, 4 in my shop. And also, there's going to be a new version of my junk journal kits, my mystery kits, that have these images in there. So, if you don't want to buy just the book, you can wait until I put, I think it's version 4 in my shop. Not the version that's in my shop as of today, which is May 17th, but they should be up next week or something. I'm doing some other stuff too. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that there is some books in my shop that are beautiful, and some stunning and fun junk journal kits. And so these kits come with lots of extras, not just what you see here. There's like over 50 pieces in here to play with in your fatty patties. But then I also add a bunch of stuff to the envelopes, so they're a lot of fun. So anyway, so go check out my Etsy shop, support my channel, and support the Mally Fund. All right, thanks so much, you guys. I'll talk to you really soon. Oh, within the next day or two, we're going to do a fatty patty, I promise, because I'm missing my fatty patty. All right, love you guys. Take care. Be well. See you soon. Bye-bye.